What's your name?
I'm Liz Gray,
How old are you?
55.
Where are you from?
I'm from London but now living in Leicester.
Okay. What remedy are you going to talk about?
I'm going to talk about urine therapy.
What condition is it for?
It's for allergic rhinitis but also occasionally for dehydration.
How does it work?
Well, that's a good question. I'm not sure I can answer it really. It's a traditional yoga therapy which I discovered when I was living in a yoga centre, and I'm not sure I can tell you how it works. The dehydration part works when you drink it by replacing lost fluid, but I'm not sure I can explain how the allergic rhinitis remedy works.
How often do you use it?
I do the allergic rhinitis thing every day using this pot. So I pee into it and then insert into one nostril, tilt the head, it goes in one nostril out the other, then reverse, then clear the nostrils and wash.
What is allergic rhinitis?
Allergic rhinitis is a condition a little bit like hay fever that affects the nostrils, which are continually running. There's a lot of sneezing, a lot of mucus, so it helps with that.
What have you tried with it?
First of all, when I was diagnosed, I went to the doctor and they prescribed a nasal spray which had a small dose of steroids in. That worked to an extent, but I found it got less effective over time, so I wasn't happy with the idea of continuing to up the dose or use more, so I was looking for alternative approaches.
How did it help?
I didn't start off with the urine therapy. First of all, when I discovered this practice called neti, I used salt water, but then that's a bit of a performance because you have to boil water, let it cool, put in the right amount of salt to mimic the saline balance of the body. Much easier to pee in a pot.
What do your friends and family think about it?
I don't talk about it too much because the general reaction is ew. Most people think it's a bit weird. Some are interested. Some people are quite fascinated actually, but the general reaction is sort of, yeah.
Do any of them now use it?
Not that I know of, no. Some of my yoga students were interested, but I would doubt very much whether any of them use the urine method. Some use salt water.